Today I'm cooking Kaeng Som pla or Thai sour fish curry, a simple and very savory fish curry that is spicy, sour, salty and slightly sweet. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. Let's start off with soaking 3 pieces or 10 grams of guajillo dry chili and 8 pieces or 10 grams of dry chili with hot water. Ensure that they are fully submerged. Leave them to soak for 20 minutes. Put 85 grams of tamarind pulp in a heat-resistant bowl. Pour 300 ml of hot water and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Set aside. Next, marinate 850 grams of sea bass fish pieces or ikan siakap with 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle a little salt onto each piece and rub. As I have small fishes of around 400 grams each, I am using 2 pieces. Turn and repeat until fish are all marinated with salt. If you have a larger fish of 850 grams, 1 piece is sufficient. Leave aside. After 10 minutes, the tamarind pulp is well soaked. Squeeze and mix until well combined. Pour it through a strainer to remove the seed and skin pieces. If it is too thick, more hot water can be added for easy straining. Alright, for now, I have about 200 ml of tamarind water. Put it aside. After 20 minutes, the chili are well soaked and quite soft. Pull out the dry stem from the guajillo chili. Take all 3 pieces and put them together. Cut them into small pieces with scissors for easy blending. Repeat with all dry chili. Put all of them together. Cut them into small pieces. Okay, let's go and make the curry paste. Add 8 pieces or 30 grams of red bird eye chili into the blender. This recipe is quite spicy. You can reduce the amount of bird eye chili if preferred. Then add the cut dry chili. 20 grams of fresh turmeric cut into small pieces. 40 grams of belacan or shrimp paste, which is a less salty type of belacan from Thailand. If using the salty type, add just 30 grams of it. 50 grams of garlic, 250 grams of peeled shallots, and 300 ml of water for easy blending. Close the lid. Attach the blender onto the machine. Blend for about 1 minute or until very smooth. Alright, the Kaeng Som curry paste is ready. Let's go and cook it. Put a stock pot or a wok on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 1.5 liters of water and all the blended curry paste. There is some curry paste stuck in the blender. Add 200 ml of tamarind water to the blender. Shake a little to wash the curry paste down. Pour all of them into the pot. Stir to mix until well combined. Cover the pot and allow them to come to a rolling boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the curry has started boiling. Stir and mix well. Taste and adjust to ensure that there is enough saltiness and sourness from shrimp paste and tamarind juice. It is quite mild in taste. I am adding 200 ml of tamarind water, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Stir to mix and dissolve all the seasoning. Now the curry is quite thin and watery. Cover the pot and continue to cook for 10 more minutes or until curry comes to a rolling boil and moisture has reduced. After 10 minutes, open the cover. See, the curry is boiling vigorously and the consistency is much thicker now. This is perfect. Raise the heat to medium-high. We want to make sure that the curry is boiling vigorously before adding the fish. Add the fish head first as it will take a longer time to cook, and next the rest of the pieces. Do not stir until the fish are cooked. This prevents the fish from releasing its fishiness. Ensure that they are submerged into the gravy. Continue to cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, all the fish should be cooked. If any piece is sticking out of the gravy, gently submerge with the spoon. Add 240 grams of cauliflower around the pot. Cover with the lid and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the cauliflower is cooked. Now we can stir the curry. Give it a taste once more. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. and 1 teaspoon of sugar. As it is not sour enough, I am adding another 75 ml of tamarind water. Stir to combine. Lastly, add 330 grams of washed and clean water spinach or kangkong. Stir to submerge them into the curry. As this vegetable cooks really fast, switch off the heat so it cooks from the residual heat. Cover the pot and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes minimum before enjoying it. After 10 minutes, dish it out and serve. This is best enjoyed with rice. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious! The fish is so fresh and tender. The curry is sour and spicy with a little umaminess and saltiness. It goes well with the fish and the vegetable. Any leftover gravy can be reused with a new batch of fish and vegetable. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!